Hello everyone. So actually this is the continuation of the previous video. Okay, actually, I said no second secret of zoom. Okay, so in the earlier video, just a fast brush up what I told you. I'll have a look at this car, you have a look at this car, and maybe your dog or goldfish look at this car, isn't it? And what we came to know in the previous video, where I keep my mouse, there AutoCAD will zoom, isn't it? Okay, so let me just zoom into my car. Okay, this is my car. You know, John, in his car there should be some drawings and okay. Now why did I zoom to this? You'll understand now. 1 second. Okay. Now just have a look at this video. This drawing. Okay, have a look at this drawing and tell me this object here. Okay, this object here, this guy, this guy, is it a circle or a polygon or what? Okay, actually this question is a question that differentiates an alien, that is me, and human, that is you. This question is really, just a small trick here actually, but let's put it this way. Okay, think and let me know, what is this object? Okay, some of my students told me, John, it looks like a polygon, but for an alien this looks like a circle. Okay, I just want to tell what I did was I zoomed in, okay, and then I just have a look at this drawing. Okay, for some people it looks like a polygon, but for me it looks like a circle, perfect circle. Okay, so what I do is, whenever I zoom, okay, let me just show you now. So according to John, this is a circle, and according to you people, you're saying, no John, this is a polygon. In any sense it looks like a polygon. Okay, I just show you what's the story. Okay, let me just zoom in. See, they give you a diameter, radius, still people are still, no John, this is a polygon, this is a polygon. Okay, one method I'm going to prove myself right is just hovering my mouse towards the object. What's written? Circle. No John, AutoCAD is crazy. And you just proved it. Let me just tell you what happened actually. So whenever you zoom, you got to remember your friend REGEN, REGEN, REGEN. Okay, when you REGEN and you press enter, now John, you see it looks like a circle. Okay, so what actually at the end of this video, what I'm trying to tell you is, actually this is the second secret of the video. Okay, one was the zoom in the other video, and here what I'm trying to tell you is, after you zoom, okay, whenever you zoom, okay, let me just do it again. Okay, let me just show you this. Okay, whenever you zoom, okay, always remember to REGEN. See, again this guy does the same story. What you do is REGEN, REGEN, enter. It's like refresh. Okay, remember, so REGEN is something like refresh. Okay, I hope everybody enjoyed this video. I hope this is clear. So something what you understand today in this video is what, whenever you zoom, after you zoom you have to REGEN, otherwise you will be in this same situation. You see, now it looks perfect circle. I was saying it's a circle and you were saying, no John, it looks like a polygon or some gon. So the story is this: after you zoom, remember rule number 2 or rule number 3, after you zoom you have to REGEN, REGEN. Let me just write it down so things will be clear. Just one minute, let me get my pen. Okay, so after you zoom, you always REGEN. Okay, this is an E. Okay, E for elephant. Okay, so I hope this video is clear, and I think that's it. Take care and have a nice day. Bye.